2017-2018 agenda, and I didn't want to spend a lot of money on it, so I bought like a very simple agenda. So I like to buy mine to a whole school year. So this one ends at June, July, and I'm going to show you guys how I weekly plan my homework. I'm going to start planning in week 38. That's a week ahead my week. I'm in week 37, and I like to plan a week ahead. So I'm now going to see if I have any deadlines in the following week or the weeks ahead. So I can see I have no deadlines in week 38, and let's check week 39. There you go. I already see a deadline. I need to hand in a group's work, like a group's project, before 12. So what I'm going to do is the deadlines I need to finish, I go and take a highlighter. So I'm going to take the yellow one. You can take every highlighter, just highlight the deadlines. So now I'm just going to highlight it. There you go. So now you know it's a deadline. It's very important, because if you keep it all blue, it might be, you might not see it or you might forget it. So using a highlight is a good way to alert yourself that you need to hand something in or be done with something. So I can see I have another deadline. Well, that's a test I have on the 27th of September. So I'm going to highlight that one as well. So now you can see I have already 2 deadlines in my planner. So now I'm going to plan new deadlines. So I'm now in week 37. So I'm going to plan like subjects that I need to study for the test of the 27th of September. I'm going to write the subject and the time I'm going to have to spend studying that subject. So now I just wrote the subject I have, and I'm going to spend an hour and a half on it. So you can add more details, like what you want to do, like if you want to resume modeler, you want to resume math or biology. You can write like the details, what you want to do, if it's easier for you. An hour on it on Thursday, and I'm going to spend an hour and a half on skills. I don't like to plan way ahead, because then my planner may not add up anymore. You can set your alarm at 7 p.m. or whatever time you want to study. Not too late, because then your concentration will be very low, I think so. So I'm going to give it a label, and I will say study time. Study time. And you just save it. You can set like every single day and just go back, and it will say, it will repeat. I'm going to save it, and there you go. You can see it already. That's the one here, and it says study time every day. So I have one huge tip for you guys. Make sure it starts, and it's an abbreviation I just came up with. Make sure it's specific, achievable, realistic, and timely. That's the most important thing about planning, is to make those 4 things count. So try to avoid rescheduling. I know it's hard to keep on your schedule. I know, because I'm also a student, and sometimes I think it's not like achievable, but try not to reschedule. I thought of making a study with me video, and I don't know if you guys want to see it, and if you want to see it, please leave a comment down below so I know what you want to see. Do you want to study with me with music or without music? I want to know them all. And if this is your first time watching my video, make sure to click on the subscribe button right here, and so you will be updated to every new video I have. And so thank you guys for watching this video. Until next time, bye.